Hey y'all, good morning. So I thought I would show you a really quick and easy way to make your own magnesium citrate water spray, oil, whatever you want to call it. Magnesium spray and magnesium oil are the same thing. They just call it a different name. If when you make the magnesium, well, sometimes when you make magnesium spray or magnesium water, it might feel oily, and that's because there's more magnesium than there is water. So let's get started. All right, so you're gonna buy magnesium flakes, okay? Magnesium citrate flakes, Amazon, Walmart, wherever. Now you need to remember to put, for every 1 part of the magnesium that you use, you're gonna use 1 part of water. So what I like to do is pour it in my daughter's bath water, okay? So I have the flakes. I've already put 2 cups in the jar. The water is heating up. Oh, it looks like it stopped. And then all I'm going to do is then pour that water. Excuse the background noise. I'm washing laundry and making coffee. I'm just going to pour the water over the flakes, okay? And remember, for every cup of flakes that you pour, you need to put the same amount of water. Now all you have to do is stir it up, and it doesn't take that long to stir it. You just stir it, and it's going to, whatever the word is called. Alright, you're just gonna stir it until the magnesium, what is the word? I can't even think of it right now. Dissipates, disappears, melts into the water. Alright? And then there you go. See, it's all melted. Now you let it cool. Just let it cool, because it's going to be too hot for you to touch. All right? Once it cools down, then you're going to store it in a place that's dark. All right? A pantry, a closet in your bathroom, whatever. And you can use this in your bath water to help you relax, help your kids if they have, or yourself if you have eczema. Okay?